Hello, 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 my friends.
Hello, peeps.
This is Randall and Diane here in the lovely town of Prescott, Arizona.
Prescott, Arizona with the Prescott Pickle Lady.
That's right. We are very excited to share something new that has come through our brokerage.
And that is express offers. Express offers. So there are companies out there that will pay you cash for your home. You know, we buy ugly homes. I mean, we've seen all these kinds of things. We have a program like that. We can offer you money for your home. It functions as kind of a last resort, if you will, or worst possible case.
Or if you got to get out fast,
something
happens and you're like, I really don't have time to market this. I need to sell quickly.
Yeah, so these are investors that are investing in homes. They are either looking to hold and rent, or they're looking to renovate and flip. And so depending on the kind of situation you're in, you might want to consider something like this.
Absolutely. It's an amazing program.
It's a great program.
Easy to use.
Yeah, easy to use. You can always get an offer. And if it's not to your liking, then you can go the traditional route and use us or anybody else for that matter, to list your home in a more traditional way.
That's right.
But if you're looking for something quick and easy, it's pretty good. If your home is completely, kind of up to date and ready to rent, probably a little closer to market value than if it's a flip situation. If you want to redo your own home and then sell it, I mean, essentially you've gone into the flipping business, right? Professional flippers can do it cheaper and easier. You may be surprised at how good offers, the quality offers that they can give you. So there's something to think about before you dive in and start your...
And in particular, if you're really kind of in a time crunch.
Yeah.
Because we understand life happens.
Yeah. Things
happen and you've got to skedaddle out of town.
Yeah.
Or something dramatic has happened financially. And you're
health-wise.
Yeah, health-wise.
If you are, if your parents have been in the home for 40,000 years, and gee, we're gonna have to sell mama's home, and I don't know.
Been there and done that.
Yeah,
it's a lot. It's a lot. What are we gonna do with this?
Lot.
Yeah.
So yes, you're gonna get less than market value because it is an investor, and they are looking to make a profit by giving you more convenience, but maybe less than you think, and a whole lot easier because having done it, or you've done it more than me, but it's a lot. It's
not a good time, people.
It is a lot.
It's not a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I'll tell you that much.
Consider, yeah.
Been there, done that. I wish maybe we would have had at that time access to express offers. Yeah. That would have been. That would have been amazing.
Certainly something to consider.
Absolutely.
So, I mean, you can consider this among, a whole battery of different options. We'll be glad to learn more about your particular situation and help you explore what options make the most sense for you. But it is nice that we have, an extra bullet in the chamber, if you will.
That's right.
Another tool in the tool bag.
I like that better.
You like that better?
The first thing's a little violent.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I mean, coming after the old one thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we don't want to talk about anything that could possibly be in the chamber.
All the bullets in the chamber are the same tool. So maybe that's not a good one.
I like the tool in the tool.
Tool in the tool chest. Okay.
Yes, I like that better. We're just kind of in crazy times.
Crazy times. Crazy times.
You never want to assume.
Yeah, that's right.
That anything is or is not in the chamber. As we've been taught in gun safety.
Yes.
Every gun is loaded.
Every gun is loaded. Yeah, I should always, just safety tip, always assume that all guns are loaded.
And you know what? Express offers is also loaded. It's ready to
help. But never assume that your toolbox is full, because if you take the toolbox, chances are you won't have the tool that you need. I
guess.
Yeah.
I don't know. But anyway, we just wanted to share that with you because we think it's an exciting new program with our brokerage, and we are happy to share it with you.
Yeah, we'd be glad to run some numbers for you.
Absolutely, and help you if you're in a bind or just don't even want to put it on the market and show it a ton of times. This is another option for you.
Consider.
So give us a call or look us up.
Yeah, you can find more information at pickle411.com. It is our information site. Whether you are a buyer or seller, somewhere in between, you'll find something there that is informative and entertaining and worthy of an Oscar.
Absolutely worthy of an Oscar. We're here to help people. That's what we're all about. Customer service, bar none.
That's us.
That's all I have to say. That's
Cheers.
why I'm tired all the time. Have a great day. Thank you for listening. Take care. Bye.
Bye.